You can feel it, that unsettling pressure, that worry that the skills you spent years developing might soon be worthless. For some, it's a distant concern. For others, it's already here. The question driving millions right now is, how soon will AI disrupt the job market? Experts can't even agree. Some believe AI will create entirely new categories of jobs. Others say it will only replace certain roles, and some warn that nearly every job is vulnerable. In this video, we'll cut through the confusion and focus on the timeline of AI's impact, so you know what's already happening, what's just around the corner, and what that means for your career prospects.
It's the largest AI infrastructure project by far in history, and it's all taking place right here in America.
It's important to understand that we're in a race, and in many ways it's eerily similar to the space race of the 1960s. Back then, it was a race to put a man on the moon. Today, it's US and China racing to dominate artificial intelligence, and history suggests that once this race accelerates, there will be little to slow it down. So when will the effects be felt? Let's start with what's already happening now. To understand how soon AI will affect the job market, we first look at the evidence we already have. The first warning signs have appeared, and they hit the tech sector fastest. In May 2023, IBM announced it would pause hiring for back-office roles like human resources that could be automated, potentially replacing 7,800 jobs. By 2024, Accenture laid off 19,000 employees, mostly junior roles, while simultaneously investing $3 billion into AI capabilities. These moves aren't isolated or far-off predictions. They're happening now, proving that AI disruption in the workforce is not a distant future, but today's reality. A 2023 McKinsey report estimates that by 2030, up to 30% of current US job tasks could be automated. Yet, companies are moving faster. 41% of employers worldwide say they plan to reduce headcount in the next 5 years because of AI. That means many workers will feel the impact well before 2030. Even early career opportunities are disappearing. From 2022 to 2024, Fortune 500 companies reduced internship offers by over 20%, with tech internships dropping about 34%. For new entrants to the workforce, this signals a tough job market emerging right now due to AI's advance. And it's not just junior roles. AI is already taking over routine white-collar tasks like drafting reports, scheduling meetings, and managing data at lightning speed. Salesforce's CEO Mark Benioff says AI does 30 to 50% of the work at his company, showing that AI's impact is already deeply embedded in some workplaces. Today, 78% of global businesses use AI in some form, meaning this is no longer theoretical. And as AI systems grow more capable, like OpenAI's Operator and China's Manus, which can browse the internet and solve complex problems, the timeline for disruption is only shortening. This ongoing disruption is pushing many younger workers to pivot. According to a 2024 Federal Reserve survey, 32% of Gen Z are now considering skilled trades like plumbing and electrical work. These jobs are harder to automate and represent one of the few safe harbors today from the wave of AI job disruption. So, let's talk about what the experts predict. They have varying views, but the trend is clear. It's imminent and accelerating. Goldman Sachs warns that globally, 300 million full-time jobs could be affected, with up to 2/3 of all jobs exposed to some AI automation soon. McKinsey projects that 60 to 70% of US job activities could be automated by 2030, but given what we see happening now, many disruptions will arrive well before that date. Tech leaders emphasize speed. Nvidia's Jensen Huang warns, "You're not going to lose your job to AI. You're going to lose your job to somebody who uses AI." This means AI's impact will be felt immediately in competitive pressures at work. Economists compare AI to the computer revolution of the 1980s, which changed jobs over decades. But AI is developing faster, so job market shifts could happen in just a few years, not decades. Geoffrey Hinton, a pioneer in AI, predicts the timeline will favor only the very highly skilled, implying most workers will see significant effects in the near term. In an interview, Mo Gaudat forecasted a 12 to 15-year period of human-induced dystopia using AI, beginning with signs in 2026 and a clear societal decline starting in 2027. The geopolitical AI race adds urgency. In January 2025, the US committed $500 billion to AI infrastructure in response to China's rapid advances. This massive investment speeds up AI's arrival in workplaces, compressing the timeline for widespread job disruption. Let's now discuss the jobs most and least at risk. Understanding when AI will affect the job market means knowing which roles will be disrupted first and which might last longer. Research from OpenAI and the University of Pennsylvania shows up to 75% of general office clerk tasks, routine writing, scheduling, and data management, are highly automatable. If your job involves these, chances are the impact is happening right now or very soon. Customer service reps, paralegals, bookkeeping clerks, and some sales roles also face near-term risks. But what about the jobs that are safer? For now, roles requiring deep interpersonal skills, hands-on physical work, or highly specialized expertise, things like skilled trades, certain medical professions, and jobs involving complex human negotiation, are less at risk. But less at risk doesn't mean safe forever. Even creative industries aren't immune. AI is already making ads, designing logos, and composing music. Fortunately, new roles tied to AI are also emerging fast. PwC projects a 27% increase in AI-related US jobs by the end of this year. Positions like AI implementation specialists and AI auditors are growing now, showing that while AI disrupts, it also creates new opportunities in the very near future. So, how soon will AI affect the job market? The evidence shows it's already happening, and it will only accelerate over the next few years. Some industries are already feeling the impact, while others are watching it creep closer with each new breakthrough. No matter your field, the wave is moving fast, and no role is completely immune. The key takeaway, staying informed and learning how to work with AI, is essential right now, not sometime down the road. The question is no longer if AI will affect the job market, but how quickly you can adapt to stay ahead.
Want more videos like this? Subscribe to Mac Hard for weekly AI updates and leave your thoughts in the comments below.